Bala, where the River Dee flows out of Llyn Tegid in the Eryri National Park. There's been a castle here, now known as Tomar Bala, since the Middle Ages, which was still fortified when it became the territory of Llywelyn ap Iorwerth in 1202. We don't know exactly who built it, but it was around this castle that the English established a borough in 1301. It was described by Thomas Pennant in his Journey to Snowdon in 1781, and there's a wonderful engraving of the view from the top of this mound by Moses Griffith. In the 18th century, the town was famous for its hosiery and gloves. When Thomas Pennant came here, he saw women and children in full employ knitting along the roads. He said that the women, through their love of society, often assemble at one another's houses to knit, sit around a fire and listen to some old tale or some ancient song or the sound of the harp, and that this is called Cymorth Gwai, or a knitting assembly. What a great idea! In the centre of the town stands a statue to the Reverend Thomas Charles, a leading figure in the development of Calvinistic Methodism and the founder of the British and Foreign Bible Society. Two notable figures who were born in Bala are Betsy Cadwallader, a pioneering nurse who worked alongside Florence Nightingale in the Crimea, and Michael D. Jones, a key figure behind the establishment of the Welsh settlement in Patagonia in 1865. At mae'n debyg fod y dyfodol yn fraint i'n ddiwiau